We're at Lanier Flight Center in Gainesville, Georgia, and EAA's Ford Tri-Motor is here. This is the larger one of the two that they've got. It's a little bit cold. As you can see, I'm sort of buttoned up with a jacket. It's 43 degrees right now, and it's pretty windy. Last time I checked, it was in the teens gusting. So I'm not sure if they're flying it, but I didn't see it over in the hangar, and it looks like there's a lot of cars out here. So we're going to go check it out, and maybe at least we'll get some video footage of it. And I'll give you a little bit of history on this. You know, Ford did buy or purchase a aircraft manufacturer, and all of this is on EAA's website, but EAA has two Ford Tri-Motors, and they have the B-17 bomber. We got one of the Tri-Motors here, or EAA 611 did, here at Gainesville back in 2014 was the first time, and they asked us if we wanted to host again, so they've got the larger one. Unfortunately, I've been on vacation all week, so this is the first time I get to see this one. But we'll go check it out, and I'll show you how to find more information, because these two Tri-Motors and the B-17 bomber travel all over the U.S. and stop at different cities at hosting EAA chapters. And you can buy rides on it. I believe they're like $70 to ride in the back, and you can pay a little bit more and be a co-pilot. And if I'm not wrong, this was true back in 2014. If you are a licensed pilot, you can actually log your co-pilot time. So I have 0.4 of multi-engine in a Ford Tri-Motor. So let's go check it out.
Oh Lord, lock the door.
What's up?
Oh, what in the world is that right up there? Well, I was watching all your videos.
Hey, Shane.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Good to see you.
All right, we're here at Lanier Flight Center with John Maxfield. He's the pilot for this stint of the EAA Ford Tri-Motor. So John, give us a little bit of background on this particular one. We know last time was at 2014, y'all brought out the other Ford Tri-Motor, and we hosted it here at EAA 611. So what's the difference, and just give us a little background on this particular one.
Sure. Thanks, Shane. This is a 1928 Ford Tri-Motor. Ford Tri-Motors came in two sizes, Big Ford and Little Ford, and back in a few years back we brought Little Ford. This is the Big Ford. It's a little bigger wingspan, a little bit longer, the tail's a little larger, has a couple of more seats in the cabin. It has the same engines, same basic propellers, and VFR flying outfitting, but and they fly very similarly.
So you said same engines. Is the performance any difference? Did you have to get any different checkout in this one compared to the other one?
Even though the airplanes are the same, basically, the Big Ford has a higher gross weight, and so some additional training is involved in that. If this were a normal Model 5 AT Ford, it would require a type rating and two pilots at the controls. This particular N number has a one-time STC to limit its gross weight to 12,499 pounds. That keeps us below the type rating requirement.
Interesting. And this one and the Little Ford both travel cross country, giving rides, selling rides?
Yeah, both airplanes barnstorm across the country. going city to city, and crewed by one of our 16 volunteer pilots that come and go as our schedules permit. And we pair up with local EAA chapters to bring a little bit of flying history to the neighborhood.
Cool. All right, thank you, John. And like I said, I'll show everybody on the web where you can find more information about EAA's airplanes because they have the 2 Ford Tri-Motors and the B-17 bomber. And hopefully you can find them at a local airfield and take them for a ride. Thanks. All right, Ford Tri-Motor. Looks like a flying barn. Look at all that corrugated metal. So you can see on here, all of the cables are external for the controls. Alright, and our pilot John said we could go in. This one's got 10 seats. I believe the other one only had 9. Look at how wonderful the woodwork is inside here. Piece of history.
If you'd like to find more information about EAA's traveling aircraft, go to www.eaa.org. Follow the tabs across the top of the page to find flight experiences. Select Ford Tri-Motor and learn more. Select Book a Flight and you can see the available schedule and prices. If I back up and select B-17 Tour, it will show the tour schedule and prices as well. These aircraft do not travel together on tour. They are typically at different EAA chapters across the country. The ticket prices for rides and tours, as well as donations, all go towards keeping these historic aircraft up and running. The tour operators are all volunteer. You too can volunteer to help EAA spread the passion of aviation to others. Thank you for watching our video. Please drop us a comment down below, like our video, and subscribe to our channel to be notified of any new videos from Hangar 8 Media. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.